Hey y'all, so we actually do different things. We have yard sales and then we take things to places to sell like at a trade show type thing. So we were asked by VEVOR to take a look at this Podium slash trade show table and give our honest and unbiased review. So we did get it for free and we got it out of the box and we laid all the pieces and parts out, and it was just a nice sized black zipped up bag with handles, and then it had a bottom and a top. And it had the rollout piece, as you can see here, that just velcros to this bottom piece. And then it stays right in place. And then you just put the top piece on it as well. And it's super sturdy, as you can see here. We shook it around everywhere to try to see how sturdy it was. And even though it just literally velcros together, it stayed together perfectly. Even when we moved it, when we leaned on it, everything, it did not go anywhere. And the top is very smooth black, just like the bottom. And then you can easily just pop it apart. There's no nails or screws or any kind of tools that you need. You don't need a screwdriver, anything. It just literally goes together with Velcro, and you take it apart just like that, and you can roll it up. And everything stores in the bag that it came in just fine, so it's easy to transport. You can throw it right in your trunk. So I would definitely recommend this if you need some kind of like podium table. And what's great about it too is that it even has storage in the back. So once you have it all together, and you're standing up like at a yard sale or at a trade show or anything, behind it has this opening right here for storage. So all in all, a wonderful product. I would definitely recommend it. 2 thumbs up, you guys.